1 kilo chicken, cut into pieces, 1 cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, salt to taste. For the biryani masala, 4 to 5 tablespoons cooking oil or ghee, 2 large onions, thinly sliced, 2-3 tomatoes, chopped, 2-3 green chilies, chopped, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, salt to taste, fresh coriander, and mint leaves for garnish. For layering, fried onions from the biryani masala, fresh coriander, and mint leaves, saffron strands soaked in warm milk for coloring, ghee optional. Instructions. 1. Marinate the chicken. In a bowl, mix the chicken pieces with yogurt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, and salt. Cover and let it marinate for at least 1 to 2 hours, or overnight for better flavor. 2. Prepare the rice. Boil the soaked basmati rice in a large pot of water with bay leaves, cardamom pods, cloves, cinnamon stick, and salt until the rice is 70-80% cooked. Drain the water and set aside. 4. Prepare the biryani masala. In a large pan, heat oil or ghee over medium heat. Add sliced onions and fry until golden brown. Remove half for later use in layering. In the remaining onions, add ginger garlic paste and sauté until the raw smell disappears. Add chopped tomatoes, green chilies, red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and salt. Cook until the oil separates from the masala. Add marinated chicken and cook until it's no longer pink. The chicken will continue to cook during the dum, slow cooking process. 5. Layering the biryani. In a heavy-bottomed pan or biryani pot, layer half of the partially cooked rice. Add the cooked chicken masala on top of the rice layer. Sprinkle fried onions, fresh coriander, and mint leaves. Add the remaining rice on top. Drizzle saffron-infused milk, ghee, and sprinkle the reserved fried onions on the final rice layer. 6. Dum cooking. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid or seal it with aluminum foil. Cook on low heat, dum, for 20-25 minutes until the rice is fully cooked and the flavors are absorbed. 7. Serve. Gently fluff the biryani with a fork. Garnish with fresh coriander and mint leaf. Serve hot with raita or a side salad. Enjoy your delicious Karachi Biryani.